In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data labels in an Excel chart in Excel. If you want to make your chart easier to read, adding data labels is a simple and effective way to do it. Data labels display the exact values directly on the chart, so your audience can understand the numbers without having to estimate them from the axis. This is especially helpful when you're presenting data or building reports that need to be clear at a glance. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the sheet that contains the chart you want to update. Make sure the chart is already created, because data labels are added directly to an existing chart. Next, click on the chart to select it. This step is important because Excel only shows chart-specific options when the chart is active. Once the chart is selected, you should see a small Chart Elements button appear next to it. It looks like a plus sign. Click that Chart Elements button. This opens a quick menu of items you can add to or remove from the chart, such as axes, titles, legends, and of course data labels. In that menu, find the Data Labels option and check the box next to it. As soon as you do that, Excel will add labels to the chart automatically. You'll immediately see the values appear on the data points or bars, depending on the chart type you're using. If you want more control over how the labels look, click the small arrow next to Data Labels. This gives you several placement options so you can choose the position that makes the chart easiest to read. You can place the labels in the center, inside end, inside base, or outside end. You may also see Data Callout, which creates a more prominent label style, or Best Fit, which is available for some chart types and lets Excel decide the best position automatically. When choosing a label position, think about readability. For example, outside end often works well for column charts because the values are easy to spot above the bars, while center can be useful when there is enough space inside the data shape. If labels feel crowded, trying a different position can make a big difference. Once you've selected the label style and placement you want, you're done. Your chart will now display data labels, making it more informative and easier to understand. And that's it. You now know how to add data labels in an Excel chart in Excel.